Hi there. Today, our topic is about key control on procurement, Part 2. We have a dialogue between Ray, Assistant Project Manager, and Zini, Financial Controller. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Hi, Ray. This is Zenny of Finance Department. I refer to the new vendor called Hello Big Data Company.
Hi, Zenny. Yes. Any issue?
Yes. We need to know how is this vendor being selected?
Zenny, we have used the selection form under the procurement policy and made comparison among 4 suppliers, though policy only states 3 quotations. Then, in terms of price, product, deliverables, timing, we have rated these 4 potential suppliers and identified the first highest scored suppliers as our vendor, that is Hello Big Data Company.
Good. It sounds like compliance to our procurement policy. May I have a copy of that?
Sure. Here it is. This form was approved by IT Director and CEO according to the approval matrix.
Excellent. By the way, have we performed a background check on this new vendor?
Yes, it was referred by COO who has used it in his last employment. Besides, it is a listed company with good performance.
Okay. Can I have the signed contract as well?
Sure.
Ray, this contract was signed by IT Director only.
Yes.
This should not be the case, as I can see. The payment terms is 50% COD and another 50% in 15 days upon completion of projects, which deviates from our standard terms. This should be signed by CFO as well.
This part I am not aware of. Which policy is that? So many different policies?
Yes, these are covered under contract management policy that governs terms and conditions stated on signed quotations and contracts. All these policies are included in the Policies Update seminar. I think you have attended.
Oh my.
So far, Ray is working well in the selection of the vendors. He has used 4 quotations for comparison, where the company's policy only requests 3. However, he does not realize that procurement policy does not stand alone. Other related policies are delegation of authority, accounts payable policy, and contract management policy. For delegation of authority, it covers the appropriate approvers for such procurements. For account payable policy, it states the standard payment terms for normal vendors and how to deal with exceptions. For contract management, it covers who are the appropriate signers to contracts. Without sufficient knowledge, overseeing this procurement process, there is a highly likely possibility in non-compliant to be identified by finance or internal auditor. To recap, here are the key controls. Procuring personnel or department should have knowledge not just to procurement, but also with other related policies governing the whole process. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about Inventory Management System, Part 2. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.